Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokyo Marui MP5. This one had a feeding issue, which we've repaired now. So it had a faulty nozzle and faulty cylinder head, which we've replaced both of those. And we've done quite a lot of investigation on it. But suffice to say, it's now resolved, which is good. We've also installed a upgraded type bore barrel from Prometheus. We've got the the Psionic Thor AEP hot rubber and S nub in there, and we've got the like I say, it's got the cylinder head from FPS. It's got the Firefly nozzle and upgraded barrels. We've tested this at 268 on 3.2s, yeah, another recommendation was 2.8s on this one, but yeah, after all the head testing and whatnot we've gone through, yeah, I'd just be happy to have it work on anything. But yeah, it's fine on 268, it's on 3.2, so it will be fine on 2.8s as well, if you know what I mean. So yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to demonstrate it working now, because obviously a feeding issue was what it is in for. I'm even going to treat it to some more ammo in that. It was doing all kinds of stuttering, like it would just come out at like 100 FPS, and then it'd come out at like 250 FPS, and it'd come out at 100 FPS, and all kinds of all over the place. So so that seems to be obviously clearly resolved there. But and I'm testing on 3.2 ammo here, because I'm trying to heavy ammos are often the hardest ones to feed in terms of testing. So we're testing on these to make sure that obviously if it can feed 3.2s, it definitely will do on lighter ammos. So. There we go, so all tested and working. Any problems, you know where we are. Thank you.